Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect a Hisense Smart TV to external speakers. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. If you use your Hisense TV for streaming, NordVPN can help you unlock more shows and movies from other regions while keeping your connection private. First, decide how you want to connect your external speakers. The most common methods are HDMI ARC, optical cable, Bluetooth, or the headphone jack. If your speakers or soundbar support HDMI ARC, check your Hisense Smart TV and your external speakers for an HDMI port labeled HDMI ARC. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the TV's HDMI RC port and the other end to the speaker's HDMI RC port. On the TV, go to Settings, open the Sound menu, and set the audio output to HDMI ARC. If needed, enable CEC or ARC in the HDMI control settings. Play a movie or song to test the connection and adjust the volume using either the TV remote or the speaker remote. If your speakers are Bluetooth enabled, put them in pairing mode. On your Hisense TV, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, search for devices and select your speakers from the list. If your speakers only have a standard 3.5 mm audio input, you can use the headphone jack on your TV. Connect one end of an aux cable to the TV's headphone port and the other end to the speakers. After connecting, adjust the volume on both the TV and the speakers to get the best sound. Test with a movie or song to make sure everything works properly. For the best streaming experience, especially if you want to watch shows from other countries, consider connecting your Hisense Smart TV through a router with NordVPN installed. This can help you access more content while keeping your internet connection secure. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy more entertainment options along with your upgraded sound.